This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening OneNote on your desktop and signing in so sync works. Once signed in, create a new notebook and choose OneDrive if you want automatic backups. Choose this PC only if you prefer local files. Make a first section and a page immediately. Name them clearly so your notes don't get lost. This first setup keeps structure consistent and lets you add content right away, which makes searching and organizing faster as you build notebooks. Next, structure your notebook using sections for big topics and pages for specific items. Once done, drag pages and sections to reorder them. It's faster than renaming, and create section groups if you need nested organization for semesters or projects. Make sure to apply tags like to do or important to highlight actionable items, and use search shortcuts such as Ctrl+E to find content across notebooks. This layered approach prevents clutter and keeps your workflow clear as you add more notes. To finish, force a sync and confirm everything uploaded to OneDrive so other devices show changes. If you need to share or archive, export a page or full notebook as a PDF or OneNote package. Make sure backups exist. Use OneDrive settings or export copies to a local folder. If something goes wrong, check sync status and resolve conflicts by choosing the latest or trusted version. This single troubleshooting step fixes most missing note problems and prevents duplicated content across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.